Most woodworkers that have been designing and building their own pieces for a few years probably come across the problem that I faced with these coffee grinders. I first designed and worked out the process of crafting these pieces roughly 2 years ago. At that time, I had built about 10 of them just to have ready to go at any moment. The problem was they never really sold. A lot of people liked them, but not enough to buy them. So, for the better part of 2 years, they've sat in boxes in a random corner of my shop. I finally decided to take them into town at the Calhoun Coffee Company here in Calhoun, Georgia, to see if they'd be willing to display and hopefully sell a few of them. Well, lo and behold, they're a hit. We've sold out of all the walnut and cherry versions we had, which means I had to figure out, basically remember, how in the world I built them. For most pieces that I've built over the years, this really wouldn't be a big deal. But this is a project that must be crafted in a very specific order. Make one cut out of order and the entire piece is ruined, so no pressure. I decided to build one out of cherry and one out of walnut, so just in case I do mess up, I had one on backup. I did luckily still have my drawings and the prototype sitting around that I could look at and refer to. This design is basically just a bandsaw box with a coffee grinder and a dripper mounted to the top. Working through how I originally built this piece brings to mind something that I've always said about woodworking. And that is, woodworking is a lot like chess in that you have to be thinking 3, 4, 5 steps ahead at all times. And just like anything else, the more times you do it, the easier it's going to be to plan each move ahead. I hope this piece inspires some of you to go out and create something new using techniques you haven't used